guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review and demo of Valentia skincare. So they are a natural and really clean ingredients skincare company. They have a bunch of different products, so I'm going to be unboxing them, doing a bit of demo, sharing about the products, and giving a review of what I think of them. Ingredients, they're 100% pure, they're biodegradable, made in the US, sustainably sourced, natural and certified organic. Free from parabens, sulfates, preservatives, and synthetic cleansing milk. Their hyaluronic acid serum and their vitamin C serum. With the cleansing milk, this is suitable for sensitive skin. It's $25. Power of yucca root and willow bark extract combined in a gentle hydrating formula to smooth skin and promote youthful appearance. It's free from artificial ingredients, cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic, and you can use it twice a day. So it comes in this super pretty packaging. It's biodegradable. It has this flower on the side, or this like plant on the side. Super pretty packaging. I love it. It's a glass bottle. You get 4 fluid ounce and vitamin E. So here is this. I love the packaging. It removes impurities and cleanses without stripping your skin of sebum, moisturizes, nourishes, brightens, and restores while diminishing the appearance of fine lines. It looks like, if you can see, it's like the describe. It's like fragrance, or not too oily of a cleanser. It feels just super nice and like moisturizing. I feel like this product would be great to remove makeup or any dirt or oil on your face. Cleansers, you're like sitting there for a while splashing water on your face to try and remove the excess of the cleanser. This comes off super nicely. My skin feels so soft and hydrated. Wow. So I really like the consistency. I have the hyaluronic acid serum, but I'm not going to put the both on today. I think I'll put the hyaluronic on and just put it on my hands so I can kind of feel the consistency, just because I feel like that would be a lot of like vitamin C and E, probiotics, peptides from microalgae. That's really cool. This serum works to brighten, balance, and restore your skin's natural. Super nice. Ooh, okay, so this consistency, it's it's not oily in any means. It's just a little bit more liquidy of a product. Yeah, oil. Skin with a gentle botanical source of omega-3, zinc, vitamin B3. It's organic, cheesy product. And this is to moisturize your skin or hair, which is awesome. I do have oily skin and hair, so I will try this out, but just a little bit. This looks like an oil. Smells like fish oil, but not like a bad scent. Like, I've definitely smelled products that are way stronger. Nice, and it's really nice natural glow, but not too much. And this you can also moisturize your body with, your hair and your face. So this is like a multi-use product, 2 fluid ounce product. It's $19. And I'm not gonna put on my face because I've got a lot of products right now. Consistency oils. So rubbing this in, it instantly just like sinks into your skin. I feel like this would be super hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky or oily. Just feels like super hydrating into the skin. So that would be a great product. Again, I would have put it on my face, but we've just got a lot of products. Guys, from what I've seen from these products, they seem super natural. They seem great quality, no harsh chemicals in them. They all seem like they have their individual uses, which is great. And definitely if you're looking for some hydrating products, these would be great. From what I've seen, I've liked everything I tried today. My skin doesn't feel too oily or too dry or anything like that. And I've tried a few different natural skincare products, and some of them, they just had way too many oils in them, and my skin was feeling like just way too oily and sticky. This, I just feel super nice. My skin feels super hydrated and moisturized. I think these products are great quality. They have a bunch of different ranges of skincare products, so I'm gonna link down below what I got, and I'm gonna link down below their website for you guys to check out. From all the products, I love their different uses, the different unique ingredients in them. They all seem like great quality, and my skin looks like it's glowing, honestly, right now. Like, it is just looks super fresh and plump and moisturized. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.